Welcome everyone. Now we are discuss about the Dolby method. Dr. Roy Dolby introduced a novel system for providing 10 to 15 dB improvement in recording and playback tapes. So the Dolby systems are widely used to enhance audio and visual through the visuals through the Dolby Digital and Dolby Atmos technologies. The Dolby Digital provides the 5.1 channel surround sound for movies, games and broadcast. In normal pre-emphasis, it is presumed that weak intensity is present only in high frequencies. This is not always the case. All weak signals irrespective of the frequency need to be emphasized. This difficulty was solved by Dolby. When the strength of the signals falls below the predetermined level, say the 40 dB over the noise level, the circuits boost the strength before boosting. All signals which are 40 dB are high pass through the Dolby system directly without any change. The lower level signals pass through the boosting signal which boost this signals by 10 to 15 dB before recording. So the Dolby systems classified into Dolby A system, Dolby B system. Here the boosting is done in 4 bands. The first band below the 80 Hz, second band 80 Hz to 2999 Hz, third band 3000 Hz to above, fourth band 900 Hz and above. And each band is processed separately by using low pass, band pass, high pass filters and limiters. The 16 Hz to 18 Hz signal goes to the low pass filter, which causes improvement in signal to noise ratio with respect to hum and rumble. And 80 Hz to 2999 Hz signal goes to the band pass filter, which deals with the mid band noise, and most of the sound energy for music is concentrated in this band. So next band 3000 Hz to and 9000 Hz. The high pass filter, so it goes to the high pass filter, improve the signal to noise ratio with respect to the hiss and modulation noise. The output of the 4 separate units is added. All this is done in side branch. This branch is known as differential network. This branch is called as a differential network. All this is done in a side branch. This branch is known as a differential network. The output of the differential network goes to the network goes to the adder of the main branch. In playback, the differential network separate out the boosted signals in this side branch and subtract them from the input signal. So next, Dolby B system, the most simplified system than Dolby A system, has been developed for home use and is known as a Dolby B system. In Dolby B system, the encoded signal covers the single frequency band from 500 Hz upwards. The signals below the specified threshold value in threshold level are processed through the variable filter, which increase the level by about 1 dB at 500 Hz. It increases it progressively as the frequency increases until the circuit becomes 10 dB at 10 kHz and then remains at 10 dB. So this SNR Dolby A and Dolby system. After 10K, the 10 dB at 20 kHz and remains at 10 dB. The processed signal from the variable filter and the direct input signals are added. The adder gives the Dolby output. For playback, the signal is inverted and fed to the variable filter. Next topic is stereo amplifier. Stereo amplifier is a power amplifier, is a device that increases the audio signal for driving or powering. Without an amplifier, the music from the radio may sound like a distant whisper that humans would not be able to hear at all. So to generate the sound through the sound through the speaker, a much greater source of power is required, and the sudden surge of power is likely to distort the acoustic that and produced. The stereo amplifier increases both the power generated towards the output and quality of the sound being replicated at the same time, allowing consumers to comfortably hear music or any recorded audio through the speakers. Thank you.